Mga ka-RSP, ngayong Mayo, ginugunita po natin ang Mental Health Awareness Month kung saan kinikilala rin natin ang dalang mental health concerns ng autism. Kaya naman tunghayan natin ang naganap kamakailan na Angels Walk for Autism 2025. Panoorin po natin ito.
Sa ilalim ng temang mahusay, masaya, makulay, ay nagbalik muli ngayong 2025 ang taunang Angels Walk for Autism na inorganisa ng Autism Society of the Philippines o ASP. Ngayong taon ay mas binigyan ng pansin ang kahalagahan ng sining sa buhay ng mga individual na nasa autism spectrum, lalo na pagdating sa self-expression, communication, sensory exploration at sa economic empowerment.
We don't just call it successful. We call this fulfilling kasi yung dating awareness campaign na ginagawa natin, ngayon nakikita natin that people are starting to advocate for inclusivity and they're here to walk with us. They're here to share and to show love to the community because they believe na yung mga tao may autismo ay hindi lang persons with disabilities, they are productive citizens in our community. So we're very happy and overwhelmed.
Dumalo dito ang ilang executives ng isang shopping mall chain at ilang celebrities upang maipahayag ang kanilang suporta sa layunin at hangarin ng event.
I'm really just so happy and so relieved. Angels Walk has been around for a while, since 2012. And fun fact, we started with 200 marchies and now look at us, 40,000, 41, 45,000 strong. And it's every year, it's nakakataba sa puso because every year we're going stronger and stronger. This Angels Walk is not just a sign of strength kasi it's really just to show the purpose of what we do and how talented these individuals are and how just because you're on the spectrum doesn't mean you can't live a fulfilled life. This is not just for us, this is for the community that we love. And I know one step forward is always the best way to getting what we need. Maraming salamat. See you soon. See you next year.
Maliban sa nakakaaliw at nakakabanghang performances ng mga nasa spectrum at celebrity allies, isa rin sa mga highlight ng event ay ang pagbibigay ng parangal sa mga individual at organisasyon na nakapagbigay ng makabuluhang kontribusyon sa advokasya ng ASP. Iginawad kay Senator Risa Ontiveros ang Hans T.C. Leadership Award for Autism Inclusion and Welfare. Iginawad naman sa Community Art Advocates na Artipolo ang ASP Autism Works Partner of the Year Award. Habang ang pianist naman na si Christian Borromeo ay pinarangalan bilang ASP Autism Angel Achievement Award for Performing Arts. Ang Angels Walk for Autism ay hindi lamang isang pagtitipon. Ito ay isang malaking hakbang patungo sa pagbuo ng Autism OK Philippines kung saan ang lahat ay pinapahalagahan, nirerespeto at tinutulungang magtagumpay.